How's everybody doing? Welcome to the channel, SemperFi Mobile Auto Repair. Got called out to this 2017 Honda Accord Sport. We're going to be replacing the right front motor mount. It has totally gone bad, and that's this bad boy here. So the first thing we're going to do is set the floor jack, put it underneath the engine, and just lift it up a little bit, and then we'll start working on the motor mount itself. So let's get to it. First thing I'm going to do is I'll put a chock. Actually, let me push it in first. Just get a chock underneath. Actually, let me see if I can put it all forward. I'm just going to put it right underneath the oil pan, which is right here. Alright, so we're going to put this piece of wood here. We're just going to lift it up, and this is the oil pan, and we're just going to put a little pressure on the oil pan. I'm going to do it with my foot. Just bring it up slow. There we go. As long as it makes contact with the oil pan, that's all we need. There it is. And we don't need to lift it up a lot, just a little bit. All right, let's go top side. All right, so we're gonna remove this ground cable here. There's a 10mm bolt, so we're gonna go ahead and remove that. We'll grab this bolt so we don't lose it. And we're just gonna put it back in its place. And we're going to loosen up. This is going to be a 17mm, so we're going to grab that real quick. All right, like I said, there's a 17mm bolt, so we're going to loosen this bad boy up and come back in here with a cordless ratchet. As you guys can see, this bad boy is completely broken. So this is the piece for the motor mount, and that's the motor mount right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit more of a lift on the engine. I'm just going to lift it up a little bit. There we go, right there, because the engine literally was laying on top of this motor mount. And now we're going to remove this two bolts up here. These are 17mm, so let's get the impact for that. All right, so this, like I mentioned before, a 17mm. So go ahead and put this bad boy off. Oh, let me hit it some more. Just pull this out. I'll put this here to verify that this arm didn't, well, there was a little bit of damage here, but nothing major. No, there's no cracks. At least I don't think so. Looks good. Now let's go ahead and get this motor mount. There's a 17mm as well. Let's verify. We want to strip this. Yep, 17. Alright, we're going to need a swivel on the other side. Alright, so I got a swivel on this bad boy. Gives us better access, maybe from this side. There we go. Actually, this extra extension is taking some power off of this bad boy, so let me remove it. Should still be able to get it in here. Let's go. Oh. Take a look at the power here. Yeah, we got plenty of power. Let's try it one more time. All right, time to bring out the breaker bar. All right, so we got the breaker bar out. Let's see what we can do. All right, there we go. Sometimes you just need some old school, old-fashioned, just muscle. All right, now let's put the gun on this bad boy. There we go. Set this to the side here. Alright, so this is the motor mount that we're replacing. I'm just going to put this here. Let me go grab the replacement. Alright, so we're going to add a little bit of the blue Loctite on these bolts. These are the ones for the motor mount. So you don't need a lot, just a little bit. Here's the mount. This bad boy down here. Put these bolts. I'm just going to drive them through with the impact, but all I'm doing is just driving it through. I'm not tightening it. Just nice and smooth. All right. Now we're going to torque it down to 47 foot-pounds. So let's go. There we go. Let's move on to the front one. There we go. Now let's go to the last one. There we go. We'll do one more just to verify. Perfect. Excellent. Now we're going to mount the bracket. We're going to put a little bit of Loctite on these as well. Say blue Loctite. You don't need the red one or anything like that. I'm going to drive it through again, just like I said, nice and gentle. There we go. Now we'll get this main bolt, a little bit of Loctite as well. One more time. Perfect. All right. So I just finished torquing all the bolts down. Now what we're going to do is connect the ground wire. That's this bad boy here. The rule of thumb on these, because they're small, 10 millimeter, once it snugs down, then I do a quarter turn, and that'll be good. Be nice and tight. All right, well, that concludes the installation of the right front motor mount on this 2017 Honda Accord Sport, along with the torque specs. If you have any questions, by all means, feel free to reach out to me. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up. That we can get out into the cyberspace highway, and maybe it'll help somebody else out. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye.